Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have traded bullish throughout this day after a good breakout in US30 yesterday. Both have traded with the support levels and has shown good rise. So now what to expect from the US session? Yes, before the US session, we have a lot much of data coming in from the US. The GDP data and the PCE prices data definitely will bring volatility. Thus, whatever trade you are taking, you have to trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. With that as caution, let's in this update, first we'll look into Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end. If you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. I do release twice a day update. This is the second update for those who watched the first update must have profited. Let's start. See, first on the early charts, moving averages have started to diverge. It has taken the support and since then stayed bullish. It has now come towards the next support levels, the next resistance levels at 16,120, 140. Remember, this zone 16,120, 140 is going to play a pivotal role today. Beyond 16,140, directly we'll be looking forward to 16,200, and after 16,200, sky is the limit. If you see, Nasdaq 100 is still trading in this bullish channel here. Now, if you draw a parallel to it, it is almost staying at the highs. 16,120 levels should be a greater resistance, and on the downside now the support exists at around 16,050, 16,030. Remember, I have mentioned today morning that 16,030, 16,060 is the zone where we are going to see maximum resistance for Nasdaq 100. Now on the downside, these levels are going to be the support levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI back to overbought. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, rise, retracement, then extreme bullish candle, a smaller bullish candle, and this candle is almost trying to stay within the zone, neither bullish nor bearish. Yes, even if it tries to rise, 16,120 levels, close to 16,120 levels are going to be the highs here. We have to be careful. All the candles are outside Bollinger Bands, and the bandwidth is consistently expanding. Thus, this could be the highs. Possibly a reversal from here cannot be denied. But if you notice, moving averages have started to diverge. This is again a good bullish sign. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD is bullish, RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 3-hour chart. Now look at 3-hour charts here. Yes, higher highs, higher lows. Be careful at around 16,120 levels. Also remember, after consolidation, after a smaller body size, one breakout candle, thus there could be follow-up candles from here which can take the prices up towards 16,140 and 16,200 levels. Moving averages looking upwards, good bullish sign, but the divergence of the price from the moving averages calls for it to converge a bit. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish looking upwards. RSI is also near to overbought levels now. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour chart, the candle is outside Bollinger Bands. There could be a pull on the downside. 16,060, 16,030 is the support zone, and below which 16,000 levels. These three levels you should watch out for. As long as for the day 16,030, 16,060 levels is not taken, do not treat Nasdaq 100 as bearish. Also, after stabilizing, this was the first bullish candle, we can see a follow-up bullish candle as well. But here the question is, see, the Bollinger Bands has expanded and it is outside Bollinger Bands, thus a pullback cannot be denied. Stochastic is certainly overbought. Thus important is the MACD crossing over here at the bottom, and it is looking upwards, trying to diverge, trying to stay bullish. RSI is also looking upwards. On the daily, earlier in the day I have mentioned, look at the preceding two candles, consolidation and the flat bottom. This candle has started to rise. This candle has already given a breakout. It has to stay bullish. Only thing is how high it can go. Possibly once it stays beyond 120, 140 zone, we have to look forward to 200, and in fact beyond 16, 240 will be the next targets. Only beyond 16, 200, 240 is where the bulls will take over. Stochastic rising, MACD, this is important. MACD is almost at the peak there and it is almost on the verge of a crossover. We have to watch out carefully here. RSI looking. Now before I give you the trading levels and strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28 batch is announced. You can be part of it. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques and strategies especially created for you in order to identify profitable trades and trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you want to join my Signals channel, you can be part of my Telegram channel. Just reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. And yes, most of you have asked where you can find the breaking news, where you can find the stories, where you can find the economic calendar, where you can get the live data release. Here is my platform forexfunda.com, And this platform has everything what is required by you or what you look forward to as a trader, be it the economic calendar where the live data releases from across the globe, across the economies is available, or the markets chart where you can find your favorite instrument, do the see the live charts and do the charting and analysis. Also, you can schedule a call with the experts available. You can book a call and get a consultation. And the important part is the discussion forums. You can also initiate your own topic, and yes, you can discuss with the traders in the posted forums. Thus, visit the platform forexhunter.com, and yes, here also you get the details of the mentorship batch, the webinar series. I have started a weekly webinar every Sunday. We discuss what to expect from markets in the coming week. It also has a live question and answer session where you get the questions, where you get the answers to all your queries. Do visit the. Now, considering this, I will recommend you to sell Tech 100 only below 16060. And even if you are selling at 16060, remember one fact: 16030, 16,000, very, very, very good support exists here at 16,000. And in fact, now notice one point here: see higher lows and lower highs here. Uh, it can in fact drop because the data definitely is going to bring a little volatility. Though it appears to be bullish right now, it can eliminate all the bullishness in one single candle. Thus, if you see it is staying below 16,000, there is a probability that we may see Nasdaq falling towards 15,960, 940 levels. Below 16,000 specifically, you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss. If and only if Nasdaq trades below 15,900, you can say it is reverse, it is going to crash. It is not showing any signs of bearishness as of now. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 16,120, wait for 16,140 to be taken. Beyond 16,140, sky is the limit. I will look forward to 180, 200 as the first target, and then beyond 180, 200, I will directly look forward to 245 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. See, US30 so far it has moved towards 20 period and now trading bullish again. Now observing the candles, you will find higher lows are consistently seen, higher highs are consistently seen. Thus, you have to wait for it to break below now 34, 4, 35, 450 levels in order to confirm a reversal towards 35, 400, which is a major support. And it is only bearish if it stays below 35, 400 levels, below which the next support levels are 350, 280 levels. Right now, it is still staying bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD is bullish and it is looking upwards. See, it is at a very lower levels, it can scale up. RSI also rising, coming to 2 hour. Now look at 2 hour chart. See, first of all, resistance here at 35,450 was very strong. I have mentioned in my earlier update today that once it breaks out beyond 35,450, you can look forward to 500, 520 zone. It has achieved this, now trying to consolidate a bit. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking upwards, trying to stay bullish here. Coming to 3 hour. Now this is important. After achieving the 20 period, it has consolidated here and since then stayed bullish. Now observe the 3 hour charts closely. You will find here higher lows, higher highs. It is already outside Bollinger Bands. The bullishness getting diminished here. Thus only buying entries above 35,520 levels, beyond which you can say that the prices are turning bullish. Else I expect it to show swings, and on the downside 35,450 and 400 are major support levels. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD crossing over for the buys, RSI overbought. Similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Just one observation which is critical to 4-hour charts. Support here, first bullish candle, consolidation, second bullish candle. This has come to the top here. This has come to the overbought zone. And this is also outside Bollinger Bands. Thus, you need to be cautious here. On the downside, be careful of 35,450, 440 and then 400 levels. Only bearishness is below 400. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over for the buys here. RSI is rising as well. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. In the morning itself, I have updated. First of all, double bottom here. Increasing body size suggests that this candle might remain bullish. Also, the highs here are beautifully aligned. Thus, 550, 570 zone should be the resistance zone here. Also, it can give you good swings. Achieving the highs here, it can reverse towards the bottom, towards 35, 200 and 50 and 300 levels. Now remember, 35, 280, 300 is a very strong support zone on the downside. But my worry point is the divergence of the price from the moving average. Right now the moving average is sitting at 34,900 levels, a very good support zone. Stock IC overbought. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell, but it is not showing any signs of bearishness as of now. RSI is overbought as well. Thus, looking at this, I will recommend you to buy US30 at 35, 520, expect 550 and 600 as the two. Rather, I will say 520, 600, 550 and 600 and 650 levels, three resistance levels on the upside, and then beyond 35, 650 is where the bulls will take over for further highs there. On the downside, you can sell here at 35,450, expect it to drop towards 35,400, first support and first target. Below 35,400 is where the bears will be moving in and more drop can be expected. Thus, take your trades accordingly, avoid the volatility. If you are taking a trade with the volatile moves, just put the stop loss at your entry price. Take your trades accordingly, trade with the stop loss, and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session update tomorrow. Thank you.